What is up? Hello everyone, my name is Blackwood and today we are here today at the Harry Potter Studios. Today I'm here at a brand new theme park. Brand new! We are not at Thorpe Park no more. Thorpe Park! Good morning and welcome to the 10 Coaster Challenge, yes. What is up guys, my name is Blackwood and today on the channel we're going to go on a brand new ride here. Hello, is that a Lego store?
Diagon alley.
The challenge is on. Are we filming now? Wicker Man! As they say, save the worst till last. Yeah. And where are we now?
Bouncy!
What a word!
Yeah, wonderful, yeah. How many champions?
Not at Thorpe Park. But yes, thank you very much for watching this video today. And where are we now? I'm here today at Alton Towers, the most beautiful park here on the planet.
Yes, shut them up.
What was your first thought to Wicker Man?
Good.
Hello. I'm meeting with Tom Woodley, right?
Right.
Tick, tick. The queue?
No, thank
You. We're in the car park. Just can't see us. This is not the scariest ride at Thorpe Park?
No. No tigers though.
Don't you dare, no! 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 He's going on the jungle bus. Look who's going on the jungle bus. Jungle bus? Today, where are we? Let's get our BlackPool Pleasure Beach on!
Is he gonna do it?
There he is, straight out of cleaning his room. It's Luke! What are we going on now? Move out the way. Hello? This is not a Merlin attraction, do you know?
Oi! I know Lego Land.
Do you, mate? I don't think you do. That can only mean one thing. We make the most of our Merlin Annual Pass. And where are we now?
Coming home.
There's no giving up. Not called a challenge. I prefer Wicker Man actually. 3 rides to go. That'll make 6, then 4, and then we've completed our 10. Our water ride challenge. Not 10 coaster challenge. Just in a few weeks' time. Get with it. We've just had our front row ride on Creek. What do you think?
Yeah, really good.
First ever dive coaster.
Yeah.
Front row. He suggested it, not me. And that comes to the end of this vlog. Only on that channel with me. I'm Blackwood. That comes to the end of this vlog. Thank you very much for joining me. I have completed the water ride challenge. Yay! Bye, Laura. So you've been watching and listening to Blackwood YouTube channel. Bye! Happy New Year from me and Goofy. I will see you in 2020. 2020 of the 20s, the new decade. I will see you in 2020 only on the Blackwood YouTube channel. Bye!